Hey, Twinkle Stars, welcome back. If you are new to this family, you are so very much welcome. So, if you want to see this makeup transformation from this face to another one, stay. So, first things first is to do our eyebrows. You know, the eyebrows has to be sleek. Follow the natural curve of your brows and create a well-defined arch with an eyebrow pencil, brush, or pomade. You can use all those to achieve your desired color. Don't use the darkest shade like the number one, kindly, please. Don't use it. So to achieve that natural look, you can go over with a spoolie, and then for cleaning the eyebrows we are going to use our concealer. That is very important. On this part you need to go slow, take your time, because any mishap you make a mistake. Then take that concealer brush and brush through the concealer that you just used to clean your brows. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use a primer. Apply primer. Eye primer helps create smooth surface for the makeup to easily glide on, and it gives it color and it makes it stay for a longer time. For this, I'm going to use this blue. I have forgotten with the shade. It is from Milani. It is part of Milani line, and I'm going to apply it, then go in with an eyeshadow brush, with a blending brush, and just blend through it, and add in if you need more color, like you need the darker color. Then I'm going to wipe it off before I apply another concealer or primer. And I'm going to use this hack. I've been using this hack on Pinterest, like it has been a recommendation since. You using your eye color, the tip of your eye color, to give you that crease. Then I'm going to tap it in with my fingers, like it makes it warm and smooth and easy to apply. Then I'm going to take that brush and use the remnants from that brush to just like blend it in and not have that harsh line. Then I'm going to use this eyeshadow called Amuse. Let me tell, look at that. Look at the shade, like it's so pigmented, and me and colors, we are buddies. So apply a lighter color for the highlighted and the contoured look. Then you can add highlights on the inner corner of your eyes, you know. And then I just realized it the first time I did blue, I did this with this golden kind of a thing, and it turned out fantastic. So what I'm going to do here, I am just going to curl my eyelashes, and I'm going to use that eye color, then go in with a Muse eyeliner. It's like the best of the best. Then for mascara, I am going to use Sky High from Maybelline, and just going to brush through my eyelashes before I apply my falsies, because I literally don't have any lashes. for primer, I am going to use Zaron, and primer is just to help your makeup appear smooth and long lasting. And then I'm going to apply foundation. It helps your face and neck regions to be toned, like to have that natural tone appearance. Then I'm going to take a damp sponge and just blend that in. And I just realized like today that I'm becoming darker like day by day. Like this is not the same shade that used to match me. It's like a different shade right now. So I need to get myself a new foundation ASAP, like really fast. I can't emphasize this enough. Blend, 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 and blend. And I'm going to use concealer in the shade 60 and 40. I'm going to combine those. So concealer make you look more awake and get rid of the shadows and in the dark areas. And pick a concealer that is like 2 shades lighter than your foundation or natural skin. Dab the concealer on your skin with either your fingers, beauty blender, or a blush. Oh my god, I am here nangoa. Oh my god, or a brush. Jesus Christ, niaje nimengoa hivyo. Oh my god. And guys, if you have realized today my speech is not really good, like I get confused a lot. I am having like the serious dizziness of my entire life. I was just diagnosed with the vertigo like yesterday, and it has changed like literally everything. I feel like nothing is working for me right now. Like literally everything is just against me. Anyway, for contour, I'm going to use Clinique and to contour my nose. That nose has to be contoured. So as I said, vertigo, I don't know, I'm explaining it on another video. Today it's about makeup, but forgive my speech. Well, for powder, I am going to use Casson's powder. Set your makeup base with either loose powder, compact powder, or setting powder. When it comes to powder, actually less is more, because you might look like a ghost, especially when you're using a white powder. It might really ruin your makeup. So apply in the areas where you tend to get shine or oil in general. Then I'm gonna bronze. I never knew what I was doing is always bronzing, so I'm just gonna bronze and then brush it up. Brush it out. And then for my cheekbones, is it cheekbones? I'm going to use this Glad Shame palette. This palette is pigmented, y'all. This palette is pigmented. This guy should bring other shades. Like we're not talking about it. Like it's so pigmented. So I have a shade that I use for contour because it took me a long time without buying a palette. I've still not yet bought a palette really. So for blush, I'm going to go with Mary Kate and just go. Oh my god, it looks fantastic. I didn't know this good. Yeah, it looks good. And I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks, on my nose, and on my forehead too. Really, like on my forehead. To warm up the face, I'm going to use a lei and just powder my face. I'm going to powder the places that I highlighted, because if I go in the places that I've also contoured, it's not gonna work. For contouring, to powder like the contoured areas, I'm going to use Fit Me and just powder it up too. Less is actually the best. For my face, I'm going to I'm going to use Zaron in I don't know what I'm saying. For my lips, I'm going to use Splash lip pencil and just, do the thing. And I was using a back camera, my front camera, I don't know what happened with it. So I just realized like some parts of my face was not being seen, but I've already recorded it and I just have to do. Then I'm going to go in with the shade that I use this actually as my eyebrow pencil. So I'm going to use that and just press my lips. And I'm going to, y'all, are you guys tired with this lipstick? Because this lip stain is everything. Like since I bought this lip stain, I'm not even bothered actually. So I'm just gonna apply and press until I achieve what I want. Like I achieve the pigment or the kind of texture that I want. Then I'm going to go in with Milani in Buzz to just apply the lip gloss. And then for my waterline, I'm going to go with blue, and I forgot, is this Jordana? I think it's Jordana. It's in midnight blue. I don't know, am I saying it correct? Is it midnight or sapphire? I hope it's sapphire, I don't know. Then I'm going to go with this doesn't actually have the shade name, so I'm just going to go with that light blue. And look at that pigment. I'm going to go to my tear duct and then my waterline. Actually, I use that pencil to color my lashes, so it's blue. Everything is blue. Anyway guys, until this point, thank you very much. I'm sorry for my speech today. I feel like everything that I had crammed, I have really forgotten, and my speech is not helping me at all. But if you have reached at this point, thank you very much. I really do appreciate, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.